to Vanu's Food Moods. Let's see what's cooking today. Today on the menu we have spicy green masala fish fry. So let's get to it. For the masala, you will need green chilies, curry leaves, chopped up ginger and a few cloves of garlic. Along with this, you will need some coriander leaves and also some mint leaves. Add very little water and grind it to make a paste. And here you can see the paste is ready, and we also have some rava and maida mixed together. Now this is sear fish that has been marinated with salt, chili powder and pepper. Now mix together the rava maida mixture along with the green paste and then marinate the fish with it. Once you marinate the fish, allow it to rest for about 15 to 30 minutes. Now once that's done, on another plate, mix some more rava and maida and salt. Coat the pieces of marinated fish in it and place it on a tawa with very little oil. Cover the tawa and allow the fish to fry on both sides. And there, our spicy green masala fish fry is ready. Squeeze some lime over it and enjoy this fish. I hope you liked that recipe. If you did, please do like, share, comment, subscribe, and also please feel free to check out my entertainment channel, All Kinds of Everything. You'll find the link to that in my feature channels or in my about section or in the channel banner. So please do check it out, and until I meet you next time, be safe, stay happy, eat healthy, and bye-bye.